Hey there, welcome back into my kitchen. This is Digitally Fit and Fabulous. So we're here today. We're gonna go ahead and try to do some vanilla bean paste. So we have our ingredients. You need 2 ounces of vanilla beans themselves. So I've got the 2 ounces weighed out. I'm just gonna cut them in the blender. We need a high-powered blender for this so that we can get this whipped up. So again, that's 2 ounces of vanilla beans that you need, and you put them in a high-speed blender. Then we're going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of sugar, and then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. So we're gonna go ahead and get that measured in. I've sprayed my tablespoon so that I don't have to worry about getting it out easily. It's gonna come out. And then after the 2 tablespoons, you're going to use 2 tablespoons of water. So I got some water. It was a little bit short. Put that in there. And then the last ingredient you will need will be 6 ounces of vodka. You put that in there. And then you're going to put it in your blender and you're going to blend for 2 minutes. So I'm not going to put you through the power of listening, but we'll go ahead and come back once we get that blended. All right, so we have that all blended up, and from the recipe I'm using, what it says is that as it sits, it thickens up. So let me just go ahead and pour this out into my jar. And now let me let you guys see. There we have it. And actually it's starting to get thick now. So there I have my vanilla bean paste ready to go to add into recipes that I want to use it in. So thank you guys for joining me back in my kitchen to see me make vanilla bean paste. Of course, I've had other projects going on this morning. I made more protein bagels, and I made some snacks, some granola snacks, but I thought I'd bring you guys back with the vanilla bean paste. And just to let you know, we're still working well with the beets that we did our fermentation on, and midweek we'll come back and we will try the beets and see where the tang is at. I actually tried them today and I need them to be a bit more tangy, the same with the tomatoes. But anyway, I hope you guys will like, subscribe, and share, and have a blessed day.